This is MrChris. Today is Tuesday, April 15, 2025. I was looking at my option trading portfolio early this morning and find out that there might be an opportunity to get additional premium by trading MSTU. So for today's trade of the day, I will share with you how I received about $1,000 for premium by trading cash covered put on MSTU. My objective for this trade is to reduce my total trading budget commitment and to earn an additional $1,000 or so of premium. Note that my trading budget commitment is equal to the cost of shares I own plus the cash used to cover the open put option positions. Let's talk about MSTU. StatAnalysis.com shows an overview of MSTU. MSTU is T-Rex 2 times long MSTR daily target ETF. It aims to provide 2 times leverage exposure to the daily price movement of MicroStrategy. Since it is a leverage ETF, MSTU is quite volatile. Last week, I started 3 wheels on MSTU. The first one is 20 contracts of cash covered put with strike price of $4 per share expiring April 17, 2025. For this trade, I received a net premium of $1,046.38. The second one is 20 contracts of cash covered put with strike price of $5 per share expiring April 17, 2025. For this trade, I received a net premium of $426.40. And the third one is a 10 contract cash covered put with strike price of $4 per share expiring May 2, 2025. And for this one, I received a net premium of $273.20. With the current price of MSTU running around $5.65 per share, I noticed that the $5.50 per share strike price has a bid price of 60 cents per share for a cash covered put expiring May 2, 2025. This means that if I sell 10 contracts of cash covered put on MSTU with a strike price of $5.50 expiring May 2, 2025, then I can possibly get a premium of $600. If I sell 20 contracts, then I will receive $1,200 of premium. The problem is that if I outright sell an additional cash covered put on MSTU with a strike price of $5.50, then I will increase my trading budget commitment to more than $350,000. And as I said earlier, one of my main objectives in making this trade today is to keep my current budget commitment at or below $350,000. So here is what I did. I closed the 2 cash covered puts expiring April 17, 2025. I bought to close 20 contracts of cash covered put with a strike price of $4 per share expiring April 17, 2025 and paid $100.58. I also bought to close 20 contracts of cash covered put with a strike price of $5 per share expiring April 17, 2025 and paid $180.58. So the total cost for closing these 2 sets of cash covered put is $281.16. Note that for these 2 sets of cash covered put, the amount of cash I reserved for these options is equal to $18,000. I then turned around and sold 20 contracts of cash covered put on MSTU with a strike price of $5.50 per share expiring May 2, 2025, and I received a net premium of $1,306.38. Therefore, for these 3 transactions, my net earning is $1,306.38 minus $281.16, and this is equal to $1,025.22. Also, my cash reserve commitment is reduced by $7,000 since I only need $11,000 of cash reserve to cover these 20 contracts of cash covered put with a strike price of $5.50 per share. This brings us to the total premium earned for the first half of April to $9,002. Therefore, for the first 2 trading days of this week, I earned a net premium of $2,347 since my total net earned premium as of last Friday, April 11, 2025 is $6,655. If this trend continues till the end of this month, then I will probably meet my monthly minimum earned premium goal of $10,000 a month. That's it. If you like this video or any of the videos in my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe and join me in my journey in generating my retirement income through trading options and investing in high yield funds like yieldmax. If you have any comment or question about the no loss method of the wheel strategy or my perspective about yieldmax, please write a comment and I will answer them the best I can. This is Mr. Chris. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.